Hey everybody! Today's lesson will be multiplying whole numbers times fractions. We will show two different ways to show these visually, which will help them make a little more sense. A really awesome visual aid for fractions is a number line. So set up your number line with a 0, a 1, and a 2. And since right here we're dealing with fifths, that means we want 5 equal parts in between the whole numbers. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines you actually put in there. So each one is 1/5. All right, so if we are showing 3 times 2/5, we're gonna go 2 at a time and make basically 3 whole jumps. So that'll look like this. So 1, 2, 3 jumps. That puts us right over 1 whole. So basically 1 and 1/5. Or 6/5, because 3 times 2 is 6 and the 5 stays the same. So here we have 6/5, which is improper. Anytime it's improper means it's over 1 whole. Another way we can look at this is 6 whole times 1/5. 1/5 is the unit fraction. So you can think of it this way and make 6 separate jumps with 1/5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 jumps in this case on your number line, and you end up in the same place. And again, this is just another way to multiply whole numbers times the unit fraction. Either way, you get 6/5, which is the same as 1 and 1/5. So 2/5 is a multiple of 1/5. Multiples, again, are numbers you multiply with. Let's do another visual model. This time we'll use circle fractions. It's another really good way to see what you're actually doing. What does multiplying mean? It's repeated addition. So here it's going to look like this. If we're dealing with thirds, you can draw circles that have 3 equal pieces. Peace sign, that's kind of cool, right? Anyway, 2/3 times 4 means the same thing if you just multiply the whole number times your numerator. 4 times 2 is 8. Very good. You can think about that in a few different ways. 8/3 would mean that 8 of these thirds are filled in. That means how many whole are shaded? 1, 2 whole, and 2/3 are shaded. So 8/3 is the same as 2 and 2/3, and you can see that visually. You can take this improper fraction and make it into a mixed number in that way. So 2 and 2/3 is the mixed number answer. The other way to see it is 8 whole times 1/3. Again, you multiply the whole number times your numerator. That gets you your whole number. And then the unit fraction is just one of those pieces.
Math is everywhere.